help us to understand that Brown v. Board of Education was not one case. It was, by the time it got to the Supreme Court, it was a combination of cases.
Well, what happened in these cases is that the court would bring them together because one theme ran through them. And so it would handle the cases as one. And so the decision, the earliest case would get the decision, would get the name, the rubric, Brown versus Board of Education, because it was the earliest one filed. And so that's why it became Brown. There were Briggs. There was a Virginia case involved too, but they were all decided on the rubric, Brown versus Board.
And your aim and Thurgood's aim was to dismantle segregation and in education, not simply to alter it, but to absolutely dismantle the entire thing.
Well, when it came to the argument that, on Brown, let's argument Brown, my thesis was we could win the case on the facility, but if they got the facilities sort of equalized, it would only be for a short period of time. So what I wanted to win was the thesis that I developed was that segregated education was injurious to the development of black kids, educating about black kids. So and that seemed to me that would give the victory, if we had one, permanence.
Did you find that there were people connected with the NAACP or others around them who felt that that was too ambitious a strategy?
Oh, yeah. I didn't have too much problem within the NAACP because Thurgood sort of protected me. And while he was there, he took the brunt on it. I was free to do all this, all these theories and so forth, because he took the brunt of it. So fortunately, they all came out good. So he got the credit. But if they come out bad, he would have. So that's what. At one point, that's what for a long time I worked, and I had no. It didn't matter to me. I didn't surface, but I wanted public recognition for what I'd done. But then it did emerge, and I really wanted it. So Thurgood and I had that's what we had a problem.
Yeah, because Thurgood really was kind of a larger than life figure, and every person that I've met who worked with him in any capacity, he was kind of like the 800-pound gorilla in the room. I mean, everybody focused on Thurgood.
Yeah, well, he was out doing it this way or not. I was on there. I was down there doing and thinking about the stuff that he was getting credit for. After a while, I said, that's ridiculous. I need some credit for myself.
Mm-hmm. So. Well, now, when the verdict came down on Brown v. Board of Education, and you knew that you had won, was there a sense of tremendous victory, or what was your feeling at that point?
Well, most of the people, most of our group felt that this is it. And I really can't tell you honestly what I felt, because I don't remember. But it was soon evident that this wasn't it. That's all I know. And I don't know whether I momentarily felt that this was it. What are we going to do next? And Bill Hasty, the civil rights fight was over. A lot of lawyers felt that, and I don't know whether I felt that way or not.
Really, a lot of lawyers felt that
Sure.
that
Lawyers
this decision.
And prominent lawyers, Bill Hasty, Thurgood, I think.
They thought this is it. From now on, segregation is on its way out.
Well, the feeling was that segregation was the evil. And if you eliminated segregation, we would all be a one happy black, white, brown family. But you eliminate segregation and you're separate, white family, white families over here and the blacks here. But it was felt that segregation was evil, and what was not recognized was that what this country is, the great evil in this country, is white supremacy. It's adherence to white supremacy.
And so that was not taken into account, you're saying?
Well, see, you have to see things gradually. They're open to you. Nobody could see that until segregation was declared unconstitutional under the legal stuff. And then you look around and you see now the doggone thing has changed. Things haven't changed. And then you said, well, there must be something else. And then you're fine.
And the something else was white supremacy.
Yeah, this country is dedicated to white domination and black and brown subordination. It is clinging to it with all its strength.